Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making hush puppies. What are hush puppies? They are a fried bread that has cornmeal in them and they make a great side dish. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, half of an onion, about a cup of it, minced, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of finely minced chives, some oil for frying, and if you want to spice up a little bit, you can add a pinch of cayenne. We're going to start by combining all of our dry ingredients, our flour, our cornmeal, our salt, our sugar, and our baking powder, and we're going to combine this until it's thoroughly incorporated. Now we're going to combine our buttermilk, our our chives, and our onions. We're going to get this mixed up until it becomes thick and tacky. That's how we want our batter to look. It's thick, it's tacky, it sticks to our fingers for a few seconds. Now we're going to fry these up. If you have a deep fryer, you can obviously use that. We're going to fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. But we are going to fry ours in a pan with a shallow amount of oil. So now let's head over to the stove. Once our oil comes between 350 and 360, we're going to take our little scooper, get a nice healthy amount of our dough inside of it. We're going to drop it carefully into our oil, and we're going to let these fry for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until they're golden brown. And once they're golden brown, we're going to take them out. We're going to set them on a plate lined with paper towels. We're going to head back to the cutting board and get a taste. To plate these up, we're just going to take our hush puppies and set them on a plate. Now these are great with plenty of different dipping sauces. I really like them with tartar sauce. I will be making a video for that very shortly to share with you guys. But just put them on there, serve them, they'll be gone in no time. Now let's pan out and have a taste. Alright, let's dig in. The exterior is nice and crispy. Bust it open. Got the nice little flakes of the onions and the chives in there. It's nice and soft. Those are good. It's got a wonderful flavor. The onions and the chives really lift up the flavor. They don't overpower, it just complements it all. These would go really good in tartar sauce, and I'll be giving my recipe for that to you guys here soon. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in outdoors like hunting and fishing, I have another channel. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.